Hey there, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna make beef pepper rice. I'm gonna cook it on the Bruno hot plate, but cooking on stovetop works just as well. So for ingredients, we have marinated beef, cooked rice, scallions, corn, and butter. There's also a bottle of homemade garlic sauce that I made, and of course we need ground pepper. Okay, to start, we're gonna preheat our pan over medium to high heat until really hot. Okay, when the pan's ready, we're gonna actually turn off the heat and then add our ingredients. First, we're gonna add the beef. Place the beef around the edges of the pan to form a circle. Next, we're gonna add cooked rice. Place in the center of the pan and flatten it out with the spatula. Now we're gonna place the corn and scallions on top of the rice. If at this time you don't hear any sizzle, you might want to turn your heat back up to about a medium. Next, we're gonna add in the butter and freshly ground pepper. And now it's time to mix everything together. And finally, we're gonna mix in some garlic soy sauce. I think this is what makes this beef pepper rice really tasty. And that's it! The rice is done. You can turn off the heat and serve it with more garlic sauce on the side.
Is it in focus? The garlic sauce makes it really nice. Oh, yummy!
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make beef pepper rice. Please give me a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching. Take care.